Now, when I said celebrity, Hollywood, God, or goddess, you might have thought of a name. So I'm going to go to 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And when I get to 3, you're going to shout out your very own favorite A-list celebrity Hollywood star. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Everybody said to me, what was that? What did I hear down here? Tom Jones. Is this just a Newport thing? Is it? We got Tom Jones. Anybody else? Shout out. What do you have over here? Robert De Niro. Yes. Look at the smile on your face. Oh my God. What's your name? Jessica. Look at it. Tom Hardy. Somebody in the middle. Somebody shout out. What did you have? Angelina Jolie. What's your name? Kevin. Take the smile off your face, Kevin. This is a professional thing. Thank you. And somebody from over here. So what? Thank you. Anybody else? Oh, you said Johnny Depp. And what did we have up there? Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt. We all have a name. We all have a different name. I get that. Right now, you're delivering a high level of service. 8 out of 10, as an average. But if a celebrity were to walk into your business tomorrow, become your next customer, your service levels go from there to there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the gap. The gap you don't realize exists within yourself, within your store, within your team, right now, today. It's a gap that if you can fill, the competition can never touch you for the experience you will deliver. You could have said anybody, but I just had a feeling, I just had a premonition of what you could say today. So I just want to reveal these to you. You could have said somebody like this. Who said Brad Pitt? Right now, you've seen a lot of slides today. You're thinking, Geoff, that's the greatest slide I've ever seen in my life. Kevin, where are you, Kevin? Just for you. I've gone all Darren Brown, right? This has never happened before. Jessica, whereabouts are you based? Where's your store? Liverpool, yeah? What time do you close? Yeah, what time do you close today? 8 o'clock. 8 p.m., yes? 8 p.m. Okay. Picture the scene. Jessica's doing really well. They've had a great day. Everything's been great. Everybody's got what they want. It's a wonderful day, and we're all set. And it's 5 to 8. You know that point where you got your half your coat on. There's nobody else coming in. Nobody else coming in, and then there's a tweet. At Vision Express, Liverpool. Hi there. My name's Tom Hardy. I'm doing a shoot tomorrow, and you know, I've got problems with my glasses at the minute. I cracked them on the flight on the way over, but I'm landing at the airport. But I'm not going to get to Liverpool till about 10 o'clock this evening. What time do you close, Jessica? Of course, the response to a normal customer is, oh, well, we close at 8 o'clock, but I tell you what, Geoff, if you come in tomorrow morning, we open at 8:30, we'll see you then. Oh, thanks very much. And that's good service. That's good service. If you want fans, you're there till 10 o'clock. And I tell you what, Jessica's ready. What I'm saying to you here, and we're going to have a lot of fun with this, and I hope you do. There's a difference. there is always a difference in the levels of service that we can deliver. There's a greater experience just around the corner. The trick is knowing how you would fill that gap. How would you fill it? What would you do for a celebrity that you wouldn't do for a normal customer? Because once you find the answers, you deliver that level of service, and the fans will follow.